Point those skis downhill, bud. Woo!
Spread ego, cross the block. Spread ego, spread ego, cross the block. I fuck the music. I make it curl. I fuck the music with my servant curl. Hit, hit, hit. Wanna be, have no fear, comes and goes, man. It's here, no one knows. Feels so weird when it blows through my bones. I got a dose for it. Wanna know more, cause it's about what I got to show for it. I want some more of it. I want too much. I got so bored with it. I shot it up. Wanna light my torch with it and get all fucked up. Yeah! What is it? Where is it? How will it affect me? Fuck that shit. I need that shit bound to be the death of me. Fuck buying it. I'm taking it and sharing it with nobody. Cause all I really need is some cool shit to mob. Like driving down the street to the beat of a blowjob. Shit. You already know that shit. You even know about how I know the man who grows that beyond. You can't buy with your money. You can't find it overseas. It's one of those things that seem outlandish. Do you have? It's not a dream. As for me, I'm cool with it.
That didn't last very long.
What is it? Where is it? How will it affect me? Work that angle till it's level. Curve up the blade double. Edge made. Believe the struggle. Best believe the game's a hustle. Serve strange occurrences. Conjure up the shuttle. A steamer felt disturbances that burst the pitch bubble. That's right, it's all mine, never was yours. Like how you wait in line while I walk straight through the door. Straight through the... You say something, but ain't nothing. Spectators ignore. Pay no mind to that jump, just a player hating whore. Yeah! I fuck the music, I make it curl. I fuck the music with my serpent turn. Ain't no fun if the aliens can't have none. How fucking dirty, how I make it twitch and scream. How it screams, oh baby, hurt me, working to the bone, oh please. How I bend the rhythm over, hit it on my knees, give it up, I need it all the time. Bleed it on the drop of a dime, down the pound until it shines. Movement, make it look red wine, make no mistake, I make it mine. Break shit down and make it grind to the groove used to align. The cascading shades, jaded blues with these rhymes. Nucleus, these creeps and wines, through secrets behind and between every time I scream. Shit is mine! It's all mine! All the time! Shit is mine! What is it? Where is it? How will it affect me? Fuck that shit, I need that shit! Yeah! Thought you knew, thought you did, but did not come on through. What you got, is it cool, is it hot? Check 1, 2, man, don't stop, I'm not through. Black blood clotting my view like that's why spread ego cross the block. Spread ego cross the block, spread ego cross the block, spread ego cross the block. Ain't no egos to rock, what we know just gets dropped, how we keep shit on lock. Cause all I really need is some cool shit to mob. Like driving down the street to the beat of a blowjob. Shit is mine, it's all mine, all the time. Shit is mine.
Channel, bro. 5 subscribers, man.